Hey, hi there. Hi. Hi, it's Dave Murphy from Around the Lens. You know, your host of the most with the mostest for the show that you hopefully listen to, like Around the Lens. Anyways, we're doing an unboxing today. I got this big box from B&H. I wonder what it could be. And I'm gonna open it up on camera. And you know, again, doing the unboxing thing a little bit differently. I'm kind of putting myself out there, making myself known while I do the unboxing. So different from the normal, just in a top-down unboxing video. But anyways, we'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll make it a regular segment. I don't know. So anyways, first thing we're gonna do is take out our massive knife here. Hope you can see that. Okay, that wasn't a knife, but this surely is a knife. All right. Yeah, this is gonna be oh. Gets the job done. Get that out of the way. Love that high quality B&H packaging right there. Ta-da! Yes, indeedy. I'm unboxing none other than the DJI Ronin S. Woohoo! Alright. Man, I did not design this camera angle very well. I'm cracking open the DJI Ronin S right now, folks. You know what? I think I'm gonna fix this camera angle. I don't like this. Alright, that's a little bit better. Alright, let's unbox this bad boy. More tape. Gotta get rid of this tape. Okay. I'm gonna get my knife. My knife. That's a knife. Tape. Inside the box is dun 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 another box. Yes, the custom DJI styrofoam container. Oh, and what's this down here? A little info booklet of some kind. Of course, you've probably already seen a zillion unboxing videos, so this is nothing new to you, but I have not actually gotten the styrofoam DJI container because all the DJI stuff, I only bought the Mavic Pro, and that didn't come in a styrofoam container like this, but this is a nice little travel case. I'm actually traveling in late July, so I may use this for traveling. All right, first things first. Let's look at the top. Flip this around. So, I don't know if you can see that, but you got the nice little DJI emblem right there. Also on the top there, you can see that, is a little bit of a latch. It's a latch thing. So, again, it's a styrofoam container, but it's still very high quality. Looks very durable. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, so pretty. Alright. Again, you've probably already seen all this, but again, we got the nice form-fitted DJI case with all the little parts and bits and bobs in its own little section inside the styrofoam container. So, very nice to see. Attention to detail is good. Okay, let's take this apart one by one. First thing we've got, I'm just grabbing these things randomly, whatever is piquing my interest. So we got this little mini case. Anyways, we got some cables in here. This is a USB-C cable. And this looks to be some charging cables, conversion cables, micro USB, USB-C. This looks like a case that could also hold memory cards if you wanted to. We got a DJI plate mount. DJI, I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna figure this one out. Assorted screws and cables and doodads and stuff to make the whole thing function. Some neat, nifty looking Allen wrenches. Okay, I'm gonna put this all back in for right now. I love how everything is got the DJI branding on it. That's nice. This looks like a battery? No, it's a wall outlet. Surprisingly enough, not DJI branded. We've been in first place for DJI branding right there. Come on, DJI, step up your game. Step up your manufacturing game. This is Sade. Sade. And of course, we got here our little bracket thing. We're gonna stick the camera on this, and then we're gonna put this into the device to make it balance. This one's a sticky one. Oi, this one doesn't come out very smoothly at all. I think this is either the battery or the handle, or the both. I think it's a battery handle combo. It's the grip. So this is what powers it. It's the battery. It's also the grip. Charge the battery to activate before use. Makes sense. Does it have any charge in it right now? No charge. There's the charge indicator right there. So in case you're looking to get one yourself, there's some screw holes at the bottom there, both the big screw hole and the little screw hole, depending on what kind of tripod you use. So nice to see that flexibility is built right in. Feels good in the hand. I like it. Definitely feels like something, it's very grippy. You definitely can hold this one-handed, two-handed. Definitely it's got a nice solid feel. Feels good in my hand. Good rounded, good texture. Yeah. So this is definitely something. Yeah. Put that right there. And of course the cool little tripod stand thing right here. Tripod stand / grip. So you combine this right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, having too much fun there. So here's the big piece de resistance. Anything else in there? No, not really. This is the thing that you mount the bad boy to. It's got some Velcro here, making sure this doesn't go all over the place, which is smart. Last thing you do is you want that flying around. Oh, there's nothing holding this part down, so this can go flying all around. if you're not keeping it locked up. Look at the focus wheel, and you just kind of slide this into the device here as such. And you lock it in place to actually lock or just. It's in there, but I figured there'd be this locking mechanism doesn't like click, you know. It's it's like loose and lock. I mean, it locks with friction, which is fine, you know. I mean, it's in there for sure, but it's still, you know, it'd be nice if there was like a latch or something, a catch. Anyways, this is the Ronin S in its final form, I guess you could say. Man, I can't even get the whole thing pretty much on camera. Let me show you this. This is obviously you can see the whole thing kind of right there. So it's a magnificent piece of engineering for sure. You know, definitely very thoughtfully put together from what I can tell. Nothing seems shoddy or cheaply made. I don't think there's really any. Well, there's plastic in this, but you know, again, the majority of the parts on here are metal or rubber. You know, like a nice kind of rubber. And I love this focus wheel. Can't wait to try it with the GH5 because it's compatible. So I want to definitely play around with that for sure. Anyways, yeah, I'm really excited to get out and use this and test it and see what it's capable of. So more to follow with my full Ronin S review, but overall though, I'm excited about what this thing could potentially do, and I'm looking forward to showing you what I can do with it. So that's it for Around the Lens unboxing of the Ronin S. Stay tuned to the channel for more interesting videos and stuff that I do with this cool new piece of gear. Alright, that's it. I'm David J. Murphy. This has been Around the Lens unboxing Ronin S, and we are out!